How to set iPhone ringtone on Android. So if you want to set iPhone ringtone on Android, then we don't have the iPhone ringtone on Android, right? So what you need to do is you just need to install the application of wallpapers and ringtones on your device. So open up your Play Store and go for the search and search for this application. Once you search for the application, you need to simply tap on install and install the application. And once you've installed the application, then you will have millions of wallpaper and ringtones. So you just need to go for the home page and search for the ringtone, which is iPhone ringtone. And once you've searched for the ringtone, you can set that ringtone as your Android device ringtone. So instead of this, we don't have any other option to set an iPhone ringtone on Android. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.